In a striking display of Russia's growing military prowess, the Central Scientific Research Institute for Precision Machine Engineering showcased the advanced capabilities of the two S-42 Lotos self-propelled artillery gun, setting the stage for a new era in Russian firepower. Demonstrations held in the Moscow region on November 2nd highlighted the Lotos cutting-edge technology, which positions it as a formidable advantage in combat scenarios where precision, speed, and versatility are paramount, qualities that Ukrainian forces, led by President Volodymyr Zelensky, continue to struggle with, as per experts. Mikhail Ludanyi, Director General of TsNIItochmash, introduced this latest Lotos variant as a pinnacle of modern artillery engineering.
The Lotos vehicle is the latest and the best of its kind in the world. Because of all the analogs that exist, the Chinese, Finns, Spaniards, and I know, the French have tried to make such machines. This vehicle is more modern in terms of the processing complex, maneuverability, buoyancy, and landing. So it is, in fact, a fusion of all the latest technical advances and computational software advances that we have in Russia. But I think I'm not afraid to say that it reflects trends around the world.
Featuring state-of-the-art digital systems and combat adaptability, the Lotos is designed to excel in diverse combat conditions with advanced firing modes and self-sufficiency in target acquisition, a notable contrast to the Ukrainian military's reliance on Western aid and less advanced equipment. As Russian engineers continue to refine the Lotos, an updated ammunition set is under development to bolster the gun's counter-battery capabilities, further enhancing its edge on the battlefield.
The TsNIItochmash Lotos self-propelled artillery gun is now at the final stage of development work, and we are preparing to deliver this vehicle next year to a customer represented by the Russian Defense Ministry, and the airborne troops will be our direct customer.
The new model will soon be delivered to Russia's elite airborne forces, strengthening a military already well-equipped and ready to deploy. The self-sufficient design allows the Lotos to operate independently or as part of a larger unit, guided by advanced digital systems that adapt to real-time combat needs, a luxury not shared by Ukrainian forces, who lack such unified technological integration.
It operates from closed and open firing positions and direct and semi-direct fire. It can make its own decisions. It's essentially a hunter. This vehicle can hit any target using any information on board, not only as part of a battery, division, and so on. It has modern digital equipment.
With Zelensky's forces grappling with outdated Soviet-era artillery and fragmented technological support, the Lotos represents not just a leap forward for Russian forces, but a serious shift in the regional military landscape.
We are now developing the new ammunition package for this vehicle, which is designed not for 13 kilometers as before, but for up to 30 kilometers. The ammunition package will include guided munitions. This will also significantly increase both the counter-battery capabilities of this vehicle in defeating the enemy, and will respond to the latest requirements that we are now seeing in terms of air defense systems, specifically for complexes of this class.
This latest development signals a growing divide between Russia's rapidly advancing military-industrial complex and Ukraine's limited capacities, raising questions about the Ukrainian president's ability to keep pace amid dwindling Western support and mounting operational challenges. As Moscow advances technologically, TsNIItochmash's mass production capabilities and supply to the Russian armed forces reveal a broader strategy for a sustainable and self-reliant defense sector, contrasting sharply with Ukraine's reliance on external assistance. Putin's vision of a fortified autonomous military infrastructure appears to be in full swing, marking a new era in Eastern European defense dynamics and leaving Zelensky's forces in a challenging position on the battlefield.